Let's start with a little story about a forensic scientist trying to crack a murder case. The DNA from the blood in the hair doesn't match. Could the suspect be a chimera?
Isn't a chimera a mythological creature?
Yes, but scientifically speaking, a chimera is a person composed of two genetically distinct types of cells. But first, let's get down to the basics. Genetics 101. The human body has trillions of cells. Each cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes, or 46 chromosomes, in its nucleus. The gametes, which are the egg and the sperm, however, have 23 chromosomes each, with the number of possible combinations of maternal and paternal chromosomes due to independent assortment being 2 to the 23rd power. During fertilization, the female and male gametes fuse to form a zygote with 23 maternal and 23 paternal chromosomes, for a total of 46 chromosomes. The fusion of the gametes produce a zygote with any of about 2 to the 23rd power times 2 to the 23rd power, or 70 trillion combinations.
Huh?
70 trillion combinations! Every fusion results in a unique combination, so the human body has the same genome in all of its cells. To understand chimerism, that is tetragametic chimerism, we first have to understand how fraternal twins are formed. When two eggs are fertilized at the same time in the mother's womb, they develop into two zygotes and later become fraternal twins. Each baby has its own unique set of chromosomes, which is different from its fraternal twin. But sometimes, something very rare occurs in the case of fraternal twins. After the two eggs are fertilized and yield two zygotes, the two zygotes fuse into one zygote. This zygote is a fusion of 4 gametes. The cells start dividing and the zygote becomes an embryo. From this embryo, the baby born will be a tetragametic chimera.
Wait a minute. Wouldn't the baby have 2 heads, 4 arms, and 4 legs?
No, not really. After the two zygotes merge into one zygote, the zygote divides into multiple cells and becomes an embryo. At this point, all the cells are undifferentiated. As the embryo continues to develop, the cells start differentiating. For example, some cells will differentiate into heart cells, other cells will differentiate into liver cells, and so on. So the baby will have 1 head, 2 arms, and 2 legs. This person, like most of us, has the same genome in all of its cells. A chimera has 2 distinct genomes that coexist harmoniously, and it may look like this. Some cells may have the genome of one twin, which is represented by the blue, and other cells may have the genome of the other twin, which is represented by the purple. Coming back to my story, now we know why the DNA from the criminal's blood and hair did not match.